Hey guys, and welcome to another lockdown video. So today we are looking at how to make pictograms. Or pictographs, depending on what you call them. So what they are is they're a graph that uses a picture. Okay, so this one is really simple. I've got the data up there. I've copied it off the first question on today's lesson, and we're going to look at how we put it into our graph. So the first thing we do, we draw a line and we write our different measurements: 136, 138, 139, 139, 141, 142, and 143. Now, in the case of this pictogram, okay, it's asking us to put the different frequencies. Okay, now the frequency is how many times it happened. Okay, so if we look at the first one, at 136 centimeters, there were 6 students, or there were 6 occurrences. The frequency was 6. So what we need to do is we need to figure out how we're going to do it. Now, generally, our picture relates to what the thing we are measuring is. So in this case, we're measuring people. So what I'm going to do is my key is going to be a little stick figure there. And one stick figure is going to equal 1 student. So really important that you say what you're, how you're measuring it, okay? Because otherwise, it could mean anything, okay? So let's do the first one, 136. So it means I'm going to have to draw 6 people because the frequency was 6. Okay? Really straightforward. So that then says we've got 6 different stick figures. We look at our key. 1 stick figure equals 1 student. Okay, let's do the other ones. The next one is 5. Okay, the next one is 4. Okay, the next one is also 4. Okay, I'm going to do the last one first because there's only 2. Okay, so there's 2 stick figures, and the last one here is the frequency is 9. So we need to draw 9 stick figures. So that's 7, 8, 9. So that is how you do a pictogram. Really straightforward. Okay, it's also important that we check to make sure we have any other key things that we're needing. So, for example, we might want to give it a title, and this could be Students in 7 Lynch height. Okay, so we're going to give it a title. Okay, obviously you could put your own class in there. We've got our key. Simple as that is how we do a pictogram. Now, there's one other thing. Sometimes, okay, we may be asked to have something less than our whole unit. So, for example, if my key said that 1 stick figure actually equaled 2 students, to represent 1 student, I would have to then draw half a stick figure. So you can have all sorts of different things on your key, okay, to represent different numbers and to match the different values you have. But for now, that is actually your answer to the first question, so you can copy it straight off, have a go with the rest of them, flick me some messages if you have any problems, and I'll see you in the next video.